Eating fruits before meals. Did you know how you eat your fruit can be just as important as what fruit you eat? Let's talk about why eating fruit before meals can give your health a serious upgrade. First, fruits digest faster than heavier foods, so when you eat them before a meal, your body absorbs their vitamins, antioxidants, and natural sugars more efficiently. Second, starting with fruit can help regulate your appetite. The fiber in fruit helps you feel fuller, so you're less likely to overeat during your main meal. Third, fruits like oranges, berries, and apples boost digestion and reduce bloating. When eaten before meals, they support smoother digestion throughout the day. Try eating apples for fiber and gut health, pineapple for digestion-boosting enzymes, oranges for vitamin C and immunity, watermelon for hydration, grapes for antioxidants and energy. So if you want better digestion, more energy, and healthier eating habits, start each meal the smart way with fruit first. Eat smart. Feel better. Fruit first. Now you know.